Let me give you the rundown on what's about to happen. I'm headed to the post office to ship off these orders. Don't mind my headband. I'm letting my lace melt because my lace was lifting. Shipping those off, and then we're headed to Miami because today Jessica and I are going to the unicorn factory in Miami. And if y'all don't know, I am a Miami native. I was born in Miami, raised in Miami. A lot of people think I'm from New York, but I'm not from New York. I spent a lot of time in New York, don't get me wrong. I am a Miami girl, born and raised in the county of Dade. So we're going on a little adventure. Then after that, we will be going to Manje Lakay, which is like a local Haitian restaurant. And then we'll see where the day takes us. But I really need to rush to Miami because there's something I got to do for my mom before I even head out. If not, y'all already know when it comes to these Haitian parents, I will be hearing her nonstop. So yeah, let's go. Shipment done. Let's go to Miami. Whew. When you in a rush, things like this happen. Never fails.
J'ai rencontré une meuf en soirée sur Paris. On se voyait quelques soirs, on était plus qu'amis. Elle m'appelait quand ça chauffait avec son petit ami. Histoire de décompresser sur le tatami. Les toilettes c'était de une, non c'est une première et de deux.
It's 3:34 now. I'm on my way to Wynwood now. At least I was able to drop off the stuff. Cause if not, yeah. Alright, now let's really get to Unicorn Factory. Hold on tight, it's gonna get pretty baby. We've made it to Wynwood. And I think we're basically here. Aba mou ven an ven yan? Yo, mou ven an ven oui? Yo, I remember, like, oh my gosh, the memories. Oh, I think we made it. Did we make it? Yeah, we made it. Woo! Oh, now I gotta find parking. Haze. Okay, so I made it to my destination. We made it to Unicorn Factory. Unicorn Factory is right there. Let me show it to y'all. Right here on the corner of the Vin. If you guys know, if you were born and raised in the county of Dade, you already know Saturday mornings coming to the Vin was like a ritual. The Vin, also known as 20th Street, basically like down this ave used to be a whole bunch of wholesale shops. Like this is where my mom would come and get like packs of underwear with the little foofy things when I was a jit. Like this was where my mom would come to get wholesale. Let's say rat pour le mariage, things like that. This is where they used to come, but now like the van is basically non-existent. Thank God I found a parking that's not too far, number one. Number two, I'm hungry. Are they building a what?
Is that the royalty gang?
It's the royal gang.
Oh, hey y'all.
They building a what?
A garage back there.
I don't know what they doing because every time I come here they change.
That would be good.
Hi, how are you? Good. Yes, we're waiting for two others. Who's that crossing the street? Why? God sabi daktalo. I came unprepared.
Oh, that's a cute outfit.
That's a very cute outfit. I definitely came underdressed. Yeah, I came underdressed. Yeah.
Oh.
I came underdressed.
But safe up.
Miss me. Oh, the bag is cute. Oh, really?
Yes.
Hi. Hola, hola. It's so cute in here. And they give complimentary cotton candy.
C'est compliqué, ouais. On était d'accord, au final elle est piquée, ouais. Elle est prête à tout pour me faire abdiquer, ouais. J'ai voulu être clair, mademoiselle a paniqué. Dans tous les cas ça finit mal. Dans tous les cas ça finit mal, mal, mal. Dans tous les cas ça...
Côté nous parler, côté nous parler, côté nous parler, côté nous parler, côté nous parler. Côté nous parler, nous parlons Haïti, nous parlons faire l'obé, nous parlons plaisir, à DJ Boulette, ou bon, 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 money, 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 rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Got money, got love. Who calling you girl?
The money.
The money. Hey, the lighting here is bomb. The girl wasn't done with her makeup, so she's finishing her makeup right here. What a girl. Uniform Factory was cute. Unicorn Factory was cute. That's a uniform.
What's in your agree?
It's cute for Instagram purposes. I must say it's very smart. So now it gives you content to post. It gives me content to post.
Mal, dans tous les cas ça finit mal, 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 mal. Les bagailles là.